Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How to drink coffee. Coffee is useful or not? There have been scientific debates on this subject for more than 1 year. However, if you are very fond of coffee and cannot deny yourself in it, then you should know 3 simple rules so that coffee really does not hurt your health. Only black coffee. Useful coffee is black coffee without the addition of sugar and milk. If you cannot imagine how you can drink unsweetened coffee, then conduct an experiment, give up sugar and syrups, and within a week you do not remember about them. Some studies show that double espresso contains the greatest amount of antioxidants from all drinks. Add cinnamon. If you still want some flavor additive, then take cinnamon, which slows down the processes of cellular, anatomical and biomechanical disorders in the functions of the brain, and also supports the cardiovascular system. In addition, it is this spice that helps to lose weight. Drink water. The use of large amounts of coffee can contribute to dehydration, which in turn affects the functioning of the brain. Therefore, doctors recommend drinking a glass of water before and after coffee. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.